Online word of mouth. Let's get social. With traditional marketing, nothing comes free. You have to pay for every advertisement, and often it's pretty pricey. When advertising your website with traditional marketing techniques, it can cost you a lot. Placing an advert in a magazine to promote your new website or paying for PR and some banner space on the local news site will cost you a pretty penny. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. To see more videos like that, subscribe to this channel and click on that bell to get notified of new video we posted, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and leave a comment. But we also know that nobody is likely to know your site is there unless you advertise it. Nobody will come if you don't do something to spread the word. Here are 2 strategies to spread your website with free word-of-mouth techniques. Become an expert guest. Get other websites to speak about your services or products. Find companies who already sell a non-competitive product or service to your same audience and write blog posts or articles to publish on their sites. Partner or exchange content with these businesses, especially those that have a good social media following. Get invited on other sites for interviews and podcasts. You can reach a much larger audience by tapping into other companies' regular listeners. Identify places that would benefit you to be present on and create a plan to get on those shows. Social media marketing. You can become well known by having a strong social media presence without spending any money or very little of it. Create a social media plan that keeps you regular. Show up on those platforms where you see your ideal prospects engage. You don't have to be everywhere, just on the ones that matter. Posting images and long-form status text helps visibility, but probably the best tactic is to use live videos. No matter on which platform, video will get you the more visibility than any other formats. Do not forget, however, that this goal is to give your website more visibility. So share your blog posts, articles, and videos from your website. Reaching good online visibility on social media is going to be very important. It will help you become known as an expert. Once you're known for what you do, selling becomes much easier. People will come to you because you've activated online word of mouth. Social media tools make spreading the word really easy. So if you tap into the right audience, it can grow pretty quickly. Fairtech's online marketing mastery formula is used to provide consistent cash flow growth for your business. It's based on the 12 essential online marketing pillars that make the perfect combination of actions that will multiply your revenue. By understanding where you are in this pillar roadmap and planning the next cash-focused steps, you can kickstart lead generation and the growth of your company really quickly. Our blueprint is simply to understand, yet comprehensively covers every single aspect you need to be thinking about in your online marketing. Would you like to know more about our online marketing mastery formula? Click on the link in the description to arrange for a free consultation. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at SEO content marketing, how to build your website traffic with social media. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.